Hey there, gorgeous. Ever feel like you're drowning in a sea of distractions? You're not alone. Our world is on overdrive, buzzing with notifications, deadlines, and demands. It's easy to get swept up in the chaos and lose sight of what truly matters. But here's the good news. You have the power to reclaim your attention and unlock your potential. And guess what? AI can be your secret weapon. Imagine AI as your personal assistant, filtering out the noise and helping you zero in on what will move the needle in your life. Remember, it's not just about working hard, it's about working smart. AI can help you identify your peak performance times, organize your schedule, and automate tedious tasks. This frees up your energy to focus on your passions and make meaningful progress towards your goals. Now, let's talk about the good stuff, your dreams. What sets your soul on fire? What kind of life do you want to create for yourself? AI can be an incredible tool for turning those dreams into reality. Imagine this. You have an idea for a business, a book, or a creative project, but it feels so big and overwhelming, you don't even know where to start. This is where AI swoops in. Need help researching your ideal customer or finding the right platform to share your work? AI can do that for you. Change can be scary, but it's also where all the magic happens. Don't be afraid to embrace the unknown and let AI be your guide as you step into your power and create a life you love. We've all been there, staring at a to-do list a mile long, feeling completely paralyzed by overwhelm. But what if I told you that AI could help you conquer that mountain of tasks and actually make progress on what matters most? AI can help you break down those big, audacious goals into smaller, more manageable steps. It can even help you prioritize those steps based on your goals and values. By taking action, even small steps, you build momentum and create a sense of accomplishment. And here's the exciting part. AI can also help you identify and develop high-value skills that will support your journey. Want to improve your writing, learn a new language, or master a software program? AI-powered learning platforms can personalize your education and accelerate your progress. In a world that can feel increasingly disconnected, it's more important than ever to find your voice and build meaningful connections. And you guessed it, AI can help with that too. Whether you're a natural storyteller or just starting to find your voice, AI can help you craft compelling content that resonates with your audience. Imagine having an AI writing assistant that helps you refine your message, improve your grammar, and even translate your content for a global audience. But it's not just about putting your message out there, it's about connecting with your tribe. AI can help you find your people online, those who share your passions and values. From social media algorithms to AI-powered networking platforms, there are more ways than ever to connect with like-minded souls around the world. Let's be real, change can be scary. It's natural to feel resistance when stepping outside of your comfort zone. But here's the thing, growth happens on the other side of fear. And with AI by your side, you can navigate those challenges with grace and resilience. Remember, AI is here to support you, not replace you. It's about harnessing the power of technology to amplify your strengths and overcome your limitations. And as you navigate this journey of growth, remember the power of connection. AI can help you find mentors, coaches, and accountability partners who will support you every step of the way. Embrace the journey, celebrate your wins, and remember that you are capable of amazing things. Ready for the best part? AI can not only help you get organized and achieve your goals, but it can also empower you to create a life of mindful abundance. That means aligning your financial well-being with your values and using your resources to make a positive impact on the world. Think of AI as your financial advisor, helping you manage your money, invest wisely, and even explore new income streams. It can help you track your spending, automate your savings, and identify investment opportunities that align with your values. But true abundance is about more than just money. It's about living a life of purpose and meaning. By using AI to free up your time and resources, you can focus on what truly matters, your passions, your relationships, and your contribution to the world. Remember, you are capable of creating a life that lights you up from the inside out. Embrace the power of AI, trust your intuition, and get ready to unlock your full potential.